It's now been 2 years since deadly tornadoes swept through Middle Tennessee, and people in Putnam County will never forget the impact of the storms. 19 people were killed there. The mayor of Putnam County talked with us about what he saw in the immediate aftermath of the tornadoes.
That morning when we flew the area, we kept hearing the reports of the damage and everything, but until we flew the area and saw how massive it was, that image I'll never forget.
The mayor says his community is much more vigilant about dealing with severe weather. He says that he's hoping to hear soon about a grant request to buy thousands of weather radios to give out to the community. 3 victims of the tornadoes in Putnam County were the Kimberlin family. They died when the tornado ripped through their neighborhood along North McBroom Chapel Road. The county purchased 3 properties damaged in the tornado and will be dedicating a new park there later this month. The new Hope Park will include a pavilion which will be named in the Kimberlin family's memory. The long and slow rebuilding progress is finally picking up steam at a church flattened by the tornado. This is St. John's Lutheran on McGavick Pike in Donaldson. Pastor Rick Roberts has guided the church through insurance payouts and the redesign process. The rebuilt church will have some changes. The budget would not cover a standalone sanctuary, but the congregation will have services in the part of a large fellowship hall. Pastor Roberts told us the past 2 years has taught the congregation a lot about the role of churches.
Our story, is not about getting this building rebuilt. Our story has been how we have been rebuilding our lives, reaching out to help those in our community.
The congregation at St. John's Lutheran hopes to be back in the building by August. And we're taking a look at a symbol of Nashville's recovery from the tornadoes. This mural on the side of the Basement East in East Nashville says, "I believe in Nashville." The mural survived the tornado even though most of the building did not. The Basement East reopened for business this time last year. All day long, News 2 will continue to hear from people who were impacted directly by those deadly tornadoes. Look for stories on News 2 and WKRN.com.